Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain why the USA is so powerful. Take notes and focus on 5 key factors: economy, military, diplomacy, innovation, and culture. We'll break each factor into clear parts you can remember and use when discussing global power. This approach keeps things simple and practical, so you can explain the mechanics confidently in a conversation or presentation without getting lost in jargon. Clamp piece. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more projects and tips. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep sauces off your plans and snacks from spilling in the workshop, a small time saver that feels like magic during long builds. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab a set if you want. Now let's get back to the video. After gluing and clamping, remove clamps and check for gaps or misalignments. Then sand the table progressively from 120 to 220 grit for a smooth surface. Fill small gaps with matching wood filler and sand flush once dry, then choose a finish like oil, stain, or polyurethane. Apply thin, even coats with a brush or cloth, allowing proper drying time and light sanding between coats for a durable, beautiful dining table surface you'll enjoy for years.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.